Inhumans has landed a UK and Ireland broadcaster, with sky1 picking up the much-anticipated Marvel show for an autumn release. The new series, which is being broadcast on ABC in the US, follows the Inhuman royal family as they escape to Hawaii after a military coup. Sky 1 is the home for the biggest and best US blockbuster TV series, and Marvel's Inhumans will be an out-of-this-world addition to the lineup, said director of Sky 1 and Sky Living Adam McDonald. Advertisement. Continue reading below. The series is bold, exciting, and entertaining, and I can't wait to see the adventures unfold. ABC Marvel related 23 secrets we learned on the set of Marvel's Inhumans. However, the latest Marvel show, which was partly shot in IMAX, has not exactly had the smoothest start, with initial reaction being very mixed. On top of that, it seems that the show has been a work in progress right up to the last minute, despite its official release on ABC next week, September 29. My guess is it's not really going to be finished until a week before we actually open it, said CEO of IMAX Entertainment Greg Foster back in July. When we saw it, we were excited, but there still are only 4 sequences with visual effects that are finished. ABC Marvel director Roel Ryan also admitted that the first trailer was released a bit too early, explaining, "I was mixed about the first trailer as well. I felt like it didn't give you the scope, it didn't give you a lot of secrets or visual effects. I felt it was a little bit too early because the visual effects were not ready, Medusa's hair was not ready. So I was really nervous about it and would think the fans would not really like it." Inhumans will air from September 29 on ABC in the US. Its first 2 episodes aired on IMAX screens on September 1. Want up to the minute entertainment news and features? Just hit like on our Digital Spy Facebook page and follow on our @DigitalSpy Twitter account, and yeah, we're all set.